Welcome to Science with Toddlers. Today we're going to do the Ivory soap experiment. Are you so excited? Check out what we have.
No.
Ellie, do you want to come on this side with us?
No.
Ivory soap. We want to make sure that we're using ivory soap. The reason is because ivory soap is made with lots and lots of air inside. It's whipped up with air when it's made, and it's one of the only ones that will do this experiment correctly. So make sure you have ivory soap. Now, Hunter, what shape is the ivory soap? What shape is this? Rectangle. It's a rectangle. You see, it has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. It's a rectangle. Okay, we're gonna open one of these. Now, Hunter, do you feel the soap? Do you feel it? What does it feel like? It feels like soap. Makes sense. It also feels very soft and it smells very clean. What do we use soap for? You're gonna show them the soap.
It's soup.
Make sure you can see yourself.
It's soup.
It's soap.
It's soup.
Hey Hunter, do you think that soap is gonna float or sink? We have some water here. Can you guys see the water? Let's see if it sinks or floats. Whoa, it's a big splash. This soap, it floats. Do you know why it floats?
Because it's lighter.
It's lighter than the water, that's right.
Mommy,
Hold on.
wouldn't it?
Okay, 1 second. We have a lot of water, or we have a lot of air inside of the soap. That's why it floats, because it's lighter than the water. That's very,
Mama.
very true. We're gonna put this in the microwave. So what I did is I cut up one of the bars of soap. We happened to get a 3-pack at the dollar store. So we can do this experiment more times, and you're going to want to do it more times when you see what happens when we put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. Are you curious? What do you think is going to happen to the soap when we put it in the microwave? The heat from the microwave is going to heat up our soap. Let's not open that one yet. Mama already has one cut up. So our soap floats, again, because it has a whole bunch of air inside. When it's made, it's whipped up with air. So our soap is lighter than the water. So it's less dense. Most soaps, if you try this with other brands of soap, it's not gonna float. It's not made the same way. Most soaps are gonna sink to the bottom because they're heavier. We're not gonna do that one right now. We're gonna put our soap in the microwave and see what happens. What do you think is gonna happen to our soap when we heat it up?
It floats.
It floats in the water, but when we put it in the microwave and heat it up, it's gonna expand. Are you ready?
No.
Here, let me take that. We'll be right back. Hunter, you want to see?
See.
Okay. I'm gonna take our. I'm gonna move it real fast. Okay, come up here, bug.
Here.
Whoa. All right, we're going to take our soap that Mama cut into 4 pieces. We're gonna put it in the microwave.
Mama.
Yes, honey. You want to make sure to not leave it unattended.
I want spaghettios.
SpaghettiOs.
I'm spaghettios, Mama.
Okay, we'll have SpaghettiOs in just a minute. So we put our soap in the microwave. Can you push the number 1? 1. There you go. Push. And 5.
5.
5. And then start. This is start. We're gonna start with 15 seconds and see what happens. Sometimes we might have to go all the way up to 60 seconds, but we're gonna do 15-second increments, and we're gonna see if we can watch the soap in there.
It going to go.
And then we're gonna need more time. We're gonna do another 15 seconds. see if it happens. What's gonna happen, what's supposed to happen, is that when the water that's inside of the soap heats up, it's going to make all of, oh, it's happening. It's gonna make the air expand, because the, oh, look, what's happening? Our soap is expanding. Wow! So that took us, what was that, 3 times in 15 seconds? Oh, we can even do more. That one's not all the way done. So cool, let's do 15 more seconds. Watch, do you see what's happening? Do you see it blowing up? It's expanding? Wow! Look, it's so big! Our soap, wow! Check that out! Our soap went from little rectangles. What does it look like now, Hunter?
So
It kind of looks like clouds. Does it look like clouds in the sky? Yeah. It's no longer a rectangle, huh? Let's feel it. What does it feel like? Is that so weird?
so weird.
That's so crazy.
Wait, I eat one meatball in my
You did eat one
tummy.
meatball in the tummy. But check it out. So cool.
Nine.
So what did we learn today, Hunter? Can you move out of the way for Mama? Wanna come back over here with Mommy? We learned that if we put Ivory soap in water, it floats. And if we put it in the microwave, all of the water evaporates, and then the air that was trapped inside tries to escape, and it makes the soap expand and become like fluffy clouds. It also makes the room smell really, really fresh and clean, because that Ivory soap has fragrance in it. We'll talk about fragrance another day, but it's quite strong. And it feels hard. I thought that it would feel soft and fluffy, but it kind of is hard. It just looks soft and fluffy. That's pretty cool, right? Should we do that experiment another time again?
I need meatball.
You need more meatballs. Okay, well, we'll go have dinner right now. Do you want to say goodbye to everybody?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching.
Watching
Science is
awesome.